Have you ever wondered, what is asylum in US immigration and who qualifies? Today we're going to answer that question for you. Asylum is a form of legal protection, a refuge, if you will, granted to individuals who have made it to the United States and can demonstrate they've been persecuted or have a well-founded fear of persecution on account of their race, religion, nationality, political opinion, or membership in a specific social group. It's a lifeline for those who face real danger in their home countries. Asylum is not just a concept, it's a beacon of hope for many around the world, providing them with a chance to live and work in the United States, free from the fear and danger they left behind. Now that we've covered the basics of what asylum is, let's delve into who qualifies for it. So, who exactly qualifies for this form of protection? This is a question that we hear quite often. To be eligible for asylum in the United States, certain criteria need to be met. Firstly, the individual seeking asylum must demonstrate that they have been persecuted or fear they will be persecuted due to at least one of 5 factors: race, religion, nationality, political opinion, or membership in a particular social group. This persecution must be significant, not just general hardship or unjust treatment. It's not enough to simply dislike your country's policies or practices. You must show that you've been or will be personally targeted. Secondly, credible fear interviews and credible evidence play a crucial role in the asylum process. During the credible fear interview, the individual must convince an immigration official that there is a significant possibility that they would be persecuted if returned to their home country. This is a vital step in the process and requires careful preparation. Credible evidence, on the other hand, is anything that can support your claim. This can be anything from news articles documenting violence in your home country, medical records showing harm you've suffered, or even affidavits from witnesses who can corroborate your story. The stronger your evidence, the stronger your case. However, it's important to note that the asylum process is not a guaranteed ticket to remain in the United States. It's a complex legal process with stringent criteria, and not everyone who applies will be granted asylum. It's also worth noting that time is of the essence. Generally, you must apply for asylum within 1 year of arriving in the United States, unless there are exceptional circumstances. A common misconception is that asylum is granted based on the severity of a situation in a person's home country. While the conditions in a person's home country are certainly considered, it's the individual's personal circumstances and the reason they've been targeted that are paramount. Understanding the qualifications is critical, but let's consider some real-life scenarios that might help clarify these points. To shed light on what we've discussed so far, let's look at 7 examples of asylum cases. First, consider the case of a journalist from a country where freedom of the press is heavily curtailed. They've been threatened and attacked for their investigative work, uncovering government corruption. This is a clear case of political persecution, and they could seek asylum based on this. Secondly, imagine a woman from a culture where female genital mutilation is practiced. She fears that her young daughter will be subjected to this horrific procedure if they remain in their home country. This fear of gender-based violence can be grounds for asylum. The third example might be a gay man from a nation where homosexuality is illegal and punishable by death. The threat to his life based on his sexual orientation gives him a strong case for asylum. Fourthly, consider a religious minority in a country where their faith is forbidden and they face punishment for practicing their religion. This is a classic case of religious persecution and can form the basis of an asylum claim. Our fifth example is a political activist who has been targeted for speaking out against an oppressive regime. The threats to their life and liberty give them grounds to seek asylum. The sixth case could involve a person belonging to a specific social group, such as a particular tribe or ethnic minority that is under threat of genocide or ethnic cleansing in their home country. They can seek asylum to escape this imminent danger. Finally, the seventh example might involve a whistleblower who exposed corruption or illegal activities in their home country and is now facing retaliation and threats to their life. These examples illustrate the breadth and diversity of circumstances under which individuals may seek asylum. But how can one navigate this complex process? Navigating the asylum process can be daunting, but you don't have to do it alone. The Shah Pirali Law Group is here to help. This esteemed law firm, led by the renowned attorney Shah Pirali, is a beacon of hope for those seeking asylum. They offer an array of services tailored specifically for asylum cases, providing guidance, support, and legal expertise every step of the way. Their adept team of attorneys are well versed in the intricacies of immigration law, offering unparalleled expertise in the field. They are dedicated to understanding your unique circumstances and crafting a strategy that best suits your case. They will guide you through the labyrinth of legalities, ensuring that you understand each stage of the process. The Shah Pirali Law Group has been recognized for their excellence in immigration law. They have been rated as superb by Avvo, a prominent attorney rating service, and Shah Pirali himself has been selected as a rising star of Northern California by superlawyers.com. This level of recognition is a testament to their unwavering commitment to their clients and their outstanding results in immigration cases. But their accolades are not just on paper. The firm has a proven track record of successful outcomes in immigration cases, earning them the trust and praise of their clients. Their professionalism and knowledge have been lauded by those they have helped, further cementing their reputation as leaders in the field. To learn more about how the Shah Pirali Law Group can assist you in your pursuit of asylum, visit their website at www.piralilaw.com. If you prefer a more personal approach, you can reach them directly on their phone line at 510-742-5887. They're ready to listen, ready to help, and ready to fight for your rights. Remember, seeking asylum is not just about legal processes, it's about securing a safer future. The Shah Pirali Law Group is ready to guide you through every step of the way.